One person, AI tools. A service business generating thousands per month. No team. No office. No employees. No investors. This is the one-person AI agency model. And it is one of the most powerful business structures available to anyone starting from zero today. Traditional agencies need multiple specialists, a copywriter, a designer, a strategist, a project manager. The one-person AI agency needs none of that. AI handles the specialist work. You handle the client relationships and quality control. Today I am showing you the complete step-by-step blueprint for building a one-person AI agency from scratch. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What is a one-person AI agency? A one-person AI agency is a service business where you deliver professional agency quality outputs to clients, content, marketing materials, research, copywriting, design briefs, social media management, using AI tools to produce the work and your own judgment to ensure quality. The client experience is indistinguishable from working with a larger agency. The deliverables are professional. The communication is responsive. The results are consistent. The difference is entirely behind the scenes. Where a traditional agency has 5 people producing the work, you have AI tools and a clear system. This model works because clients do not pay for the hours it takes to produce something. They pay for the outcome. A well-written blog post is worth the same to a client whether it took 3 hours to write or 30 minutes. Step 1. Choose your agency specialization. The most successful one-person AI agencies are not generalists. They specialize in a specific service for a specific type of client. The highest demand specializations for AI-powered agencies right now are content marketing, email marketing, social media management, copywriting and sales pages, SEO content production, and research and reporting services. Open Claude and ask it to help you identify the best specialization based on your professional background, your existing knowledge, and the types of clients you can most easily access through your current network. Pick one specialization. Build everything around it. You can expand later once you have established clients and a proven delivery system. Starting with one clear offer makes every part of client acquisition faster and more effective. Step 2. Build your agency identity. A one-person agency needs to look and feel like a professional agency from the first client interaction. This is where most solo operators undersell themselves by presenting as a freelancer rather than as a business. Ask Claude to help you create your agency identity. A clear agency name that reflects your specialization. A professional positioning statement. A service menu with 3 pricing tiers. A client onboarding process that feels systematic and professional. Use Canva to design a simple one-page agency website or landing page. Your site needs 4 elements. Who you serve. What you deliver. How the process works. How to get started. Everything else is unnecessary complexity. Ask Claude to write every word of your website copy. Give it your specialization, your target client profile, and your 3 service tiers. Claude produces polished professional copy in minutes. Step 3. Create your service delivery system. Before approaching a single client, build your complete delivery system. Clients should receive the same quality and the same process experience every time, regardless of how busy you are. For each service you offer, create a production workflow in Notion. What information do you collect from the client at onboarding? What brief do you give Claude for each deliverable? What quality check process do you follow before delivery? What format do you deliver the final work in? Ask Claude to help you build the onboarding questionnaire for your specific service type. The questionnaire should gather everything Claude needs to produce accurate on-brand deliverables for each client: their business overview, their audience, their tone of voice, their goals, and examples of content they love. A systematized delivery process is what separates agencies that scale from freelancers who stay stuck trading time for money. Step 4. Land your first 3 clients. The fastest path to first clients is direct outreach through LinkedIn combined with personal network referrals. Create a list of 20 ideal clients on LinkedIn, small to medium business owners in your target niche actively investing in their online presence. Ask Claude to write personalized outreach messages for each prospect referencing something specific about their business and offering a concrete example of how your agency would solve one of their challenges. Send 20 messages per day. Follow up once after 3 days. Convert interested prospects to a discovery call where you present your 3 service tiers. Ask Claude to write your discovery call script and proposal template, both focused entirely on client outcomes rather than your agency capabilities. Your first 3 clients establish your reputation. Over-deliver on every deliverable. Collect testimonials after month 1. Use them in all future outreach. Step 5. Scale to agency revenue. 1 client at $500 per month is $6,000 per year. 5 clients is $30,000. 10 clients is $60,000. All from one person using AI tools and a clear system. Retain every client by delivering consistently excellent work. Ask satisfied clients for referrals. Raise prices for new clients as your reputation grows. Add 1 complimentary service every 3 months as you learn what clients need most. Ask Claude to write a monthly client retention email for each client, a short update showing results and previewing what is coming. Monthly reporting is the most powerful retention tool available and takes 15 minutes per client using AI. Your action plan starting today. Choose your specialization with Claude today. Build your agency identity and landing page this week. Create your delivery system in Notion. Send your first 20 LinkedIn outreach messages before the end of the week. A 1-person AI agency generating $5,000 per month is achievable within 90 days of starting this system properly. What specialization would your 1-person AI agency focus on? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear agency blueprint, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.